For this segment, I'm going to show you how to cut photos. If you look at the examples that we have here, it's really easy to cut a circle or a square around the photo, but it's also fun to add a little bit of dimension by using the negative space for the photo and making it into a little scrapbooking page. So let's show you the first one. I'm using the noteworthy card from Makey Memories, and if you use the design guide that comes with the design card, you'll see you have lots of different ideas that you can choose from for shapes and sizes. The easiest way is to create a template for your photo. So you take a piece of scratch paper, you're going to put the slice down. I am using the flower design in 3.5 inches, so I'll let that cut. Just gently hold while it cuts. After you're done, you can use your spatula to take that off. And you will use this template for your photo. So what I'm going to do, put my photo down and figure out exactly where I want this to be cut. So I want the flower down a little bit, and I will place my template on. Figure out exactly where I want it. Then all you need to do is put your slice down, take the paper off, and cut that same thing. So after it's done cutting, you will see that the template has helped you to create a perfect cut on your photo. So here is one example of something that you can do to cut your photo. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the negative space to cut on your photo. On this photo, I've cut the word love. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to first start with our template. So I've taken a piece of scratch paper. I'm going to find the word love and cut it out. This is a 2-inch size. And once it's done, we're going to place our photo down on the mat, figure out exactly where I want the word love, and then place my template down. The trick here is just to remember where you've put the slice to begin with, so that you can put the slice in the same spot. Take off my template and then cut the same thing. So once the cutting is complete, you can remove the slice, take off the love, and then you can glue it on a piece of paper. Make sure to use the negative portions and glue those on also. So again, we'll take a look at our final sample, and this is what you'll end up with. The next project is cutting a butterfly out of acetate. This is Makey Memories slice paper, new for the slice tool. And you're also going to cut the photo, so we're going to layer that on the photo. So again, the first thing you need to do is get a piece of scratch paper and cut out your butterfly. The key is, again, just to make sure you remember where you put the slice before you put your photo down again. So you cut the butterfly. So you have that here. You can just lay that aside. Get your photo, figure out exactly where you want it. Place the slice in the same place. We're going to take this pattern off, and then again we'll start cutting. So once you're finished, go ahead and take that off, and you'll have the perfect cut using the template. From here, what I've done is I've taken some additional paper from Makey Memories. This is sticker paper specifically made for the slice. You can glue that on, and we're going to go ahead and cut an acetate butterfly. So let me show you how to do that. Let's move this aside. So I put some acetate down, again from Makey Memories, and this time I'm going to cut a 2-inch butterfly to make it a little bit bigger. Go ahead and cut that. And once you're done, use your spatula to take your butterfly off, and then you can layer that over the top, just like this. So if you look at your final sample, you'll see that we've added it together using crystal brads. This is an easy way to use the slice on your photos.